Woo! Pretty bright in here. What's up, y'all? Got a couple minutes. Figured I'd pull over, make a video. Doing pretty good. I think I'm on like day 5, 6, 7 of my 30-day video challenge, where I'm gonna make a video every single day and talk about empowerment and stuff like that. And I challenge you to do something for 30 days that's gonna better your life and get you closer to what you want in life. Seriously, it's February. It's February, and I commend those of you who still have your New Year's resolutions, who are still going hard. Because you know what blew my mind? The other day I went in the gym and I looked around and there's like no one there. And that was like 2 weeks into January, there was no one there. Even the quitters are getting weaker these days. But at any rate, all I'm saying, if you have your New Year's resolution and you're still holding on, I give you nothing but props. Hang on. Take your discipline. Let your discipline take you from one place to another. Discipline's not going to win long term. You can't be disciplined all the time. So discipline's just a tool we use to implement habits into our life that are going to get us what we want, which is why I'm doing this challenge. And I challenge you to think and find something you can do every day that's going to get you closer to what you want to create in life. Today I want to talk like 1 minute. I'm going to talk like a minute on this about pain. Pain's something I know, something I love. I always say that I've learned a lot more from pain than I've ever learned from pleasure, right? Working out, trying hard, putting yourself in painful situations. What does pain represent? One of the things pain represents, one of the like small ways that, I don't know, you can really benefit from pain. It benefits us in a lot of ways, but is pain, I think, is designed to help bring about and motivate change. If you experience enough pain, like, you might think you know everything, but then once you start doing it and doing it and doing it, and you start experiencing pain, it is like the only thing that'll open up the little portals in our minds for some reason, for some of us, to start being like, hold up, this isn't working, I'm getting frustrated. There's got to be better ways of doing this. There's got to be another way of doing this, because this is painful. So that is one of the, like, I think one of the best benefits to pain. Not only does it really help us know when we're pushing hard enough to create growth, but if you're experiencing a lot of pain in your life, this is one application, is to just seriously be like, yo, hold up. Why am I experiencing all this pain? I got to try this a different way. It literally, within your neurology, causes your brain to stop making the same, your thoughts go down these paths, the same exact path all the time when you're doing the same things. It literally causes your brain to stop and change and start looking for alternate routes to do things. Pain and frustration. So if you're experiencing pain, try doing it a different way. That's a quick video today, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Maybe I'll make one after work. Who knows? Love you guys.